Happy weekend, friends! It's long weekend here in Queensland and I've allocated some time for gardening. Today I'm going to harvest some eggplants. These eggplants are under 1 year old and they started to bloom by end of winter this year, and it's only 30th of September today and they have already got plentiful to harvest. So I'm someone who only started gardening last year, having all these eggplants to harvest. I'm really happy and proud of myself, especially after the not so great winter. This is really positive sign and a positive way of starting spring. So let's get started to harvest. So this plant here is already touching the ground and the branch is not really holding the fruit, so I'm going to trim this the branch here and let the plant focus on producing stronger branches. So I'm just gonna prune that. I'm not exactly sure of the variety of this eggplant, but should be plant of Black Beauty variety, and yeah, this is really good. I've got a few medium-sized white eggplant to harvest from this plant here, and I'm gonna harvest those all because they're all ready to be harvested, and I think these are the maximum they can, size-wise, they can get. So I'm gonna harvest those all today, and as I harvest I'm gonna prune the unwanted or drying off or yellowish leaves and branches as well, as I haven't got chance to really do anything to these plants. They are also overdue for some compost feed as well. So this is what I have got so far, and I'm heading to another patch. And this little plant here, poor thing, doesn't have a leaf or anything, but has given a little eggplant there. So I'm gonna take that and probably mulch it with more compost and probably water it a bit later. I've got another variety of eggplant here, the medium long purple variety of eggplant, so I'm gonna take that, and it's really nice and good size even for that little plant there. And sadly here this eggplant's been stung by the magpie again, is damaging lots of plants and vegetables in my garden this year already. So I'm just gonna leave it here. It's drying off anyway, and rather than them damaging new fruits, I'm just gonna leave it here for them to enjoy, so that they don't go looking for it to other plants. So this is what I've got today, and I've still got plenty to harvest after some time, and I'm just gonna store these and share some with my friends and family, and enjoy these. So thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye for now.